One is going to be big. This one's going to be epic. It's like two titans clashing in front of us.
Two once-in-a-lifetime athletes with competitive fire enshrined in their DNA.
Brock Lesnar looks ready to go. Goldberg looks extremely confident as well. Bell rings. We are underway. Goldberg measuring Lesnar. And quickly, Brock Lesnar delivers a German suplex to Goldberg. Lesnar quickly. And another one. And Goldberg is going to Suplex City, and the Beast is on the hunt. And he delivers a triple German suplex to Goldberg. But from behind, a takedown by Goldberg to Lesnar. And just when Lesnar thought he had Goldberg down, Goldberg turned the tables.
It could be deja vu.
Spear! Lesnar floored again, but this time wisely rolls out of the ring.
We could be on the verge of seeing Goldberg go 3-0 against Brock Lesnar.
And look at Goldberg measuring Lesnar. Here comes Goldberg. Through the barricade. Goldberg has speared Lesnar through the barricade. Corey, what does Lesnar have to do?
I have no earthly idea. Lesnar came out of the gate strong, delivering multiple suplexes.
A trifecta of Germans.
Yes, take a look back at this. Goldberg visited Suplex City almost immediately, but recovered and has just taken the fight to the Beast.
Yeah, it wasn't done there on the outside. A third spear through the barricade. What a response by Goldberg.
And now Goldberg back to his feet, looking to drag Lesnar back into the ring. Knee to the midsection. And Goldberg looks to beat Brock Lesnar again.
What would this do to the legacy of the Beast Incarnate?
Paul Heyman cannot believe it.
It would destroy his legacy, Byron.
Looking for the jackhammer. Looking to put Brock Lesnar away. Wait a minute. Lesnar picked Goldberg. Lesnar picked Goldberg.
No.
Look at the F5. Goldberg.
Another spear. Fourth spear by Goldberg.
No way is Lesnar going to survive that.
Heyman realizes it. Grabbing his head outside the ring.
It's almost superhuman response by the Universal Champion.
Goldberg closing in on a monumental win at WrestleMania. Lesnar's stunned. Lesnar's in trouble. Brock has no idea where he is. Goldberg looking for the jackhammer.
Lesnar up.
Lesnar got him. Goldberg got him. Hooks the leg. Lesnar kicks out. Lesnar kicked out. Goldberg can't believe it.
Goldberg is completely shocked.
And for once, a look of disbelief on the face of Goldberg in this rivalry. Lesnar has life.
Oh, but Goldberg poised and in position again.
How much life does Lesnar have left? I mean, Brock's barely crawling.
Goldberg smells blood.
Listen to Heyman screaming at Lesnar. Time to wake up. Look at the spear. Oh my God!
Good God!
What a leapfrog by Brock!
Goldberg might have knocked himself silly in the turnbuckle. Guess what, Goldberg? We're going to Suplex City.
He's definitely going to be knocked silly now. Brock Lesnar's had enough. Goldberg in trouble.
He was in trouble before.
And it's getting worse.
Keeping count here. The WWE Universe.
Brock Lesnar trying to make Goldberg a permanent resident of Suplex City.
But 7 Germans.
Somehow, Goldberg is still fighting to get to his feet.
But he goes back territory with every German.
Goldberg, though, struggling to get back to his feet. Brock Lesnar again stalking. And for a 9th time, a German suplex. And this is beginning to become very reminiscent of the Lesnar destruction of John Cena a number of years ago. They're looking for 10 here in Orlando.
They're gonna get it.
10 Germans to Goldberg. And Lesnar's in his element.
The sword of Damocles is at the back of the neck of Goldberg, and everyone here in the Citrus Bowl can feel it.
And a Beast with Goldberg up on his shoulders.
Goldberg got out of it once.
F5. Cover. Hooks the leg. Universal Champion.
Here is your winner and the new Universal Champion, Brock Lesnar.
Brock is back and on top of Raw.
Absolute dominance personified.
And